Data science is not about creating models or visualizations or even writing codes. Data science is about using data to create resolutions or recommendations for companies. So, what is exactly data science? This is the Cloud's Guru, and join me as we break down the facts on the essentiality of data science. At its core, data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms, and systems to extract insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. But what does that mean in simpler terms? Imagine you have a massive amount of data, anything from numbers, text, images, or even clicks on a website. Data science is the process of turning that raw data into meaningful information that can be used to make decisions, solve problems, or even predict the future. The pillars of data science. Data science stands on three main pillars. Statistics. This is the backbone of data science. It helps us make sense of data by providing tools to analyze and interpret it, whether it's understanding the average sales for a product or predicting stocks prices. Statistics play a crucial role. Computer science. With the amount of data we're dealing with, we need computers to process and analyze it. This is where programming language like Python, R, and tools like SQL and Hadoop come into play. They help us handle, store, and analyze large datasets and efficiently. Domain expertise. This is the knowledge about the specific field you're working in. Whether it's healthcare, finance, marketing, or any other domain, understanding the context of data is crucial. It helps in asking the right questions and interpreting the results correctly. The data science process. So how does the data science work? The process generally follows a few key steps. Data collection. The first step is gathering data. This could be from surveys, sensors, databases, or scraping websites. Data cleaning. Raw data is often messy and incomplete. These steps involve cleaning up the data, removing duplicates, finding and missing values, and correcting errors. Exploratory data analysis, or EDA. Once the data is clean, it's time to explore it. This involves visualizing the data, looking for patterns, and understanding its structure. Modeling. This is where the magic happens. Using statistical models or machine learning algorithms, we try to find patterns or relationships within the data. Interpretation and communication. After building the models, it's important to interpret the results and communicate them to stakeholders. Deployment. Finally, if the model is robust and reliable, it's deployed into production. This could mean integrating it into a business process, an app, or a system where it can generate real-time insights or predictions. Applications of data science. Data science is everywhere. In healthcare, it's used to predict patients' outcome and personalize treatments. In finance, it's used for fraud detection and risk management. In marketing, it helps in targeting the right audience and optimizing campaigns. Even in entertainment platforms like Netflix, use data science to recommend shows based on your viewing history. So, there you have it, a quick overview of what data science is, how it works, and where it's used. As you can see, data science is a powerful tool that's reshaping industries and driving innovation. Whether you're looking to start a career in data science or just curious about the field, understanding the basics is the first step. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into cloud computing. See you in the next one.